Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ACB Designs. On these tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful palazzo jumpsuit. On our previous tutorials, I taught you how to make the top part. Today, I'm teaching you how to make the pants. Afterwards, we join it together to make a complete jumpsuit. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button after watching these tutorials. Comment in the comment section, subscribe, and then press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. Stay connected as we get started. These are the materials I'll be needing for my palazzo jumpsuit: a ruler, tape measure, my scissors, zip, and then African print. So stay connected as we get started. Great, we are about to cut our pants. Hip measurement 38 inches divided by 4 will give me 9.5. 9.5 plus 1.5 as my crotch extension. That will be 11 inches. Then plus 1 inch as my seam allowance, making 12 inches. So this is our 12 inches. Okay. Our crotch line is supposed to be 11.5, but because it's high waist, I'll add 2 inches to it, making 13.5 plus 0.5 as my seam allowance, making I'll use 1 inch as my seam allowance, so making 14.5. So from my waist downwards, 14.5. I'll mark 14.5 here. I'll connect the 2 points with my ruler. One inch as my allowance, and then 1.5 as my cross extension. So 2.5 here. I'll come here 2.5. I'll connect with my ruler. And then indicate my crotch curve this way. Okay. Waist measurement 26 divided by 4 will give me 6.5 plus 1 inch allowance, making 7.5. So 7.5 ends here. I'll then connect to my hip line. Okay, because it's a palazzo pants, I'm not going to shape the thigh. It's a straight pants, so this is all I have for the front. We're about to cut the back. Okay, so this is what I'll be having after cutting out the front. We're about to cut the back as well. To cut the back as well. The cross extension for my back is 3 inches plus 0.5 inch, making 3.5 inches. Okay, when we come to the waist area, I'll move away 1.5 inches from the waist area, and then from the 0.5 inches I'll raise it up 1 inch. This is it. So I will connect with my ruler to the crotch, and then indicate my crotch curve this way, and from the place I raised up 1 inch, I will then connect to the side of my waist this way. This is it. And because it's a palazzo pants and it's a straight pants, I'm not going to indicate, or I'm not going to shape the tie. It's a straight pants. So this is all for the back. I'll be cutting out. So the next thing to do is to cut my pocket. Okay, so we're about to cut our pocket. I'm cutting 4 pieces of this. Okay, so we have our 4 pieces already. This is it. Great. At this stage, we will then go ahead and join the back and the front together. So you place the right side of the front onto the right side of the back this way. Same thing to the other side also. Now we are coming to fixing our pocket. Okay, I will then measure from the waistline downwards. I'll measure 4 inches. No, because it's high waist, I'll measure 6 inches rather, because I added 2 inches to it, so I'll measure 6 inches downwards. I'll locate this side too. After that, I'll notch. Okay, so I'm about to place the pocket on it. We're going to place it on the right side. Then placing these two on the right side, making sure the tip matches the notch as well. Okay, you go ahead and stitch 1/2 inch on the pocket, and then 1/2 inch on the pocket as well. Same thing to the other leg of the pants. This is one leg, so you're going to apply the same thing on the other leg. Okay, so after sewing in the pocket, you then open it this way. You go ahead and then stitch 1 inch from the waistline to the pocket tip. Afterwards, 1/2 inch all round the pocket to this end, and then 1 inch downwards the trousers. Okay, so this is what you'll be having after sewing the pocket and then sewing the side seam of the trousers. Okay, we will then go ahead and shape it to our waist and then hip measurements. So we open it this way. Making sure the right side faces you, and then you place the right side of the other leg as well on it this way. With that, the back and back will meet, and then the front and front will meet as well. Okay. Okay, so we are about to shape it to our waist measurements and then the hip measurements. Waist measurements 26 inches divided by 2 will give me 13 inches. So my 13 inches here, I have 3 inches as a reminder. So 3 inches divided by 2 will give me 1.5 inch. So 1.5 inch here and then 1.5 inch at the other side as well. Okay. When we come to the hip area, hip 38 inches divided by 2 will give me 19 inches. 19 inches ends here. This is 6.5 inches. So 3/4 inch here. And then 3/4 inch here as well. I'll then go ahead and then connect my ruler. And then curve it to the crotch this way. Same thing for the back side. This is it. So this is all we have after shaping. We will go ahead and then stitch on it. But before we stitch on it, at the back area, you will then leave about 9 inches for our zip extension, zip allowance. Yes, so we are going to stitch from this point downwards to the crotch area, but for the waist area we will start from the waist to the crotch area. Okay, so after stitching on the lines marked this way, you will then open it up like this. Go ahead and join the crotch area 1 inch from the crotch downwards, 1 leg, and then from the crotch to the other leg as well. Okay, so this is what you'll be having after stitching the hem or the down part of the trousers. You will then go ahead and finish the leg, the hem part of the leg on both sides. Afterwards, we join the top onto the trousers. So after joining the top onto the trousers, we go ahead and fix our zip. After fixing the zip, then our jumpsuit is ready. Great. After finishing the hem area of the pants and then fixing our zip, our palazzo jumpsuit is ready. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section. Also, share to friends as well. See you all in our next video. Bye.